It's your girl Jada.
It's the girl Kylie.
And today we're doing 1 minute shocking slime challenge. Today we are just going to, dig for some shockings. I got it. Dig for some shockings, and our dad will be editing our videos and stuff. And this is Dad. Dad, can you say hi?
Hello, I'm Dad.
And so yes, so this is our first video, but we're going to do. Okay, so we're gonna do our videos, and basically, so we're gonna set this for 1 minute. We're gonna set this for 1 minute. So
we're gonna do 8, 9, 10.
All right, actually, we'll set it for 2 minutes. Ready, set, go. Take off your cap. Make sure, and we're gonna make sure we get all the slime off. I found one, guys.
I found one too, guys.
And we know slime's all over the tables because we've been playing with slime all day. So.
Yeah. I found one too.
And this is my section, and this is Kylie's section. Ugh, this one's ugly.
What's ugly?
Ugh! I found the ugliest one.
Where?
Right here.
Okay.
This one's missing a head, guys.
What?
Guys, why don't you put it here? Put it next to the person. Alright, so this is Kylie. So far, Kylie's is all pink, and mine is just different random colors, and it's great. But yeah, so whoever finds the most by the time the video's over wins the challenge. I found a taco.
Ooh, yummy. I love tacos.
Guys, we're probably down to 1 minute. Alright, now I found a piano.
I think I'm gonna win.
We'll see. They can't see your face, Kylie.
Whoops. I'm right here.
Found a cupcake.
Really?
Mine's are at the bottom now. So I'm trying to found a little jar.
Oh, this one's ugly.
And Kylie has found more, but they're to the side, so like on the side of her over there. Looks like there's cobwebs on them, but it's actually slime.
Great. I'm trying to get this slime off this. Great.
Well, this is gonna be a great slime.
Actually, I don't know why.
I found this hat.
Let's see who's gonna win the most.
Guys, we have like 10 seconds left.
I found a clock.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The timer went off. Alright, so now we're gonna see who found the most shockings. So this is Kylie. So Kylie, count yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
So I just counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yeah, 10. She has 10. Okay, so I have 10. She has 10. I have 11. So that means I'm the winner of this challenge. But we're going to do one more challenge with the Shopkins. So yeah, we're going to do one more. So Kylie put. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when you subscribe, we're going to do the twin telepathy challenge.